we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and related names and some of the most mispronounced ones as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, this is a word of French origin, and in French, in France, it is said as Duchenne, with this very specific U sound for the letter U, and this is why there is a bit of confusion often in English on how to pronounce this. It's pretty straightforward. Just say Duchenne, or if you can, Duchenne, but in English it is simply generally said as Duchenne, because it is from French. CH is pronounced not with a ch sound, but with a sh sound, as SH. So, Duchenne from French, Duchenne. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names and words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.